Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a very simple thing that you wouldn't think would warrant a video, but you'd be surprised. Where's the horn? This is normally the horn on every car, isn't it? That's where the horn should be. Amount of times when I first bought this car, I'll be driving down, and not that I beat people much, but there are a lot of idiots on the road, you know what I mean? You're just like, "Urgh," but nothing happens. So I mean, I actually thought, oh, great, the horn's broke. But it's not, it's these, listen. It's these things, these little bars. So they don't like to make it easy in Landies or like Range Rovers. So, you know, if you do have a sudden bout of road rage and you need to beep someone, that's where you go to, isn't it? That's your go-to place that you just smack down to get some horn. But no, you've got to mess around with these things here. So that's one thing I really don't like about this car. The horn is just in a really silly position. But yeah, I thought I'd share this one as it's a very short video, but people do want to know this type of stuff. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.